Hello. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live in this city.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, I really like it.
Is English difficult for you?
A little, but I'm learning every day.
How long have you been learning English?
For about 1 year.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice every day.
How do you practice?
I listen and speak every day.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I watch them on YouTube.
Do you listen to English podcasts?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you speak English well?
Not very well, but I try.
Do you feel shy when speaking English?
Yes, sometimes I feel shy.
Do you want to speak English confidently?
Yes, that's my goal.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to communicate better.
Do you want to travel abroad?
Yes, I want to travel to many countries.
Have you traveled before?
Yes, I have traveled before.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy meeting new people.
Are you friendly?
Yes, I think I'm friendly.
Are you busy today?
No, I'm free today.
How do you feel right now?
I feel relaxed.
Are you ready to practice more English?
Yes, I'm ready.
What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Do you wake up early or late?
I usually wake up early.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do some light exercise.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone for messages.
What do you do before breakfast?
I take a shower and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Do you drink tea or coffee in the morning?
I usually drink coffee.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 7:30 a.m.
How do you go to work or school?
I go by bus.
How long does it take?
It takes about 30 minutes.
What do you do when you arrive?
I start studying or working.
Do you work or study in the morning?
Yes, I study in the morning.
Do you take a break in the morning?
Yes, I take a short break.
What do you do during your break?
I relax and check my phone.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
Where do you usually eat lunch?
I eat lunch at school or at work.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you eat lunch alone or with others?
I eat with my friends.
What do you do after lunch?
I go back to work or class.
Do you feel sleepy in the afternoon?
Yes, I feel a little sleepy.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I continue working or studying.
Do you drink coffee in the afternoon?
No, I drink water.
What time do you finish work or school?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work or school?
I go home and relax.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I usually cook at home.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner around 7 p.m.
Who do you eat dinner with?
I eat with my family.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I watch TV or use my phone.
Do you study English in the evening?
Yes, I study English at night.
How long do you study English?
About 30 minutes.
Do you listen to English before sleeping?
Yes, I listen to short videos.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you use your phone before sleeping?
Sometimes, but not too long.
How do you feel at the end of the day?
I feel tired, but happy.
Do you work or study?
I study right now.
What do you study?
I study English and business.
Where do you study?
I study at a local school.
Are you a full-time student?
Yes, I study full-time.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it very much.
How many classes do you have each day?
I have 3 classes a day.
What time does your first class start?
It starts at 8 a.m.
What subject do you like the most?
I like English the most.
Is English easy for you?
Not always, but I enjoy learning it.
Do you study alone or with friends?
I usually study with friends.
Do you do homework every day?
Yes, I do my homework every day.
How long do you study at home?
I study for about 1 hour.
Do you use a computer for studying?
Yes, I use a computer every day.
Do you watch videos to learn?
Yes, I watch English videos online.
Do you take notes in class?
Yes, I take notes.
Do you ask questions in class?
Sometimes, when I don't understand.
Do you feel tired of studying sometimes?
Yes, but I try to stay focused.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short break.
Do you work part-time?
Yes, I work part-time.
Where do you work?
I work at a small cafe.
What do you do at work?
I serve customers and clean tables.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
Is your job busy?
Yes, it is busy in the evening.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 6 p.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 9 p.m.
Do you work every day?
No, I work 3 days a week.
Do you work on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I work on weekends.
Do you talk to customers in English?
Yes, I talk to some customers in English.
Is it hard to speak English at work?
At first, yes, but now it's easier.
Do you learn English for your job?
Yes, English helps me at work.
Do you want a better job in the future?
Yes, I want a better job.
What kind of job do you want?
I want an office job.
Do you need English for that job?
Yes, English is very important.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study a little every day.
What skill do you want to improve?
I want to improve my speaking.
Do you practice speaking with friends?
Yes, I practice with my friends.
Do you feel more confident now?
Yes, I feel more confident than before.
Are you happy with your progress?
Yes, I am happy with it.
Do you plan to continue studying English?
Yes, I will continue studying.
Are you hungry right now?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat something light.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
Do you eat breakfast at home or outside?
I eat breakfast at home.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee or tea.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually eat at work or school.
Do you eat lunch alone?
No, I eat with my friends.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Do you feel hungry in the afternoon?
Yes, sometimes I feel hungry.
What do you eat in the afternoon?
I eat fruit or snacks.
Do you like snacks?
Yes, but I don't eat too much.
What is your favorite snack?
I like cookies.
What do you drink in the afternoon?
I drink water or juice.
Do you like fruit juice?
Yes, I like orange juice.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I eat rice, meat, and vegetables.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I usually cook at home.
Who do you cook with?
I cook with my family.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner around 7 p.m.
Do you like eating at home?
Yes, I like eating at home.
Do you eat out often?
No, only sometimes.
What kind of food do you like?
I like simple and healthy food.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not every day.
What fast food do you like?
I like burgers and fries.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables every day.
What is your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots and tomatoes.
Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I eat fruit every day.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you like sweet food?
Yes, I like sweet food.
What sweet food do you like?
I like chocolate and cake.
Do you eat dessert after meals?
Sometimes, but not always.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk sometimes.
Do you drink water a lot?
Yes, I drink water all day.
What do you drink before sleeping?
I drink warm water or milk.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What can you cook?
I can cook simple dishes.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I like trying new food.
Do you enjoy eating with friends?
Yes, eating together is fun.
What do you do in your free time?
I relax and watch videos.
Do you have a lot of free time?
Not much, but I have some.
What do you usually do after work or school?
I usually rest at home.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, I watch TV sometimes.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch movies and news.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Do you watch movies at home or at the cinema?
I usually watch movies at home.
Do you listen to music in your free time?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft music.
Do you listen to music while working or studying?
Yes, it helps me relax.
Do you read books in your free time?
Yes, I read books sometimes.
What kind of books do you read?
I read simple English books.
Do you like reading before sleeping?
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
Do you play sports in your free time?
Yes, I play sports on weekends.
What sport do you play?
I play football.
Do you exercise every day?
Not every day, but often.
Where do you exercise?
I exercise at the park.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, it is very relaxing.
Do you like running?
Yes, I run in the morning.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, I go out on weekends.
Where do you usually go with friends?
We go to cafes or restaurants.
Do you like chatting with friends?
Yes, I enjoy talking with them.
Do you use social media in your free time?
Yes, I use social media sometimes.
What do you do on your phone?
I watch videos and send messages.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play sometimes.
When do you play video games?
I play in the evening.
Do you like staying at home or going out?
I like staying at home more.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, my hobby is listening to music.
Do you have more than one hobby?
Yes, I also like walking and reading.
Do you enjoy learning new hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
Do you like traveling in your free time?
Yes, I like traveling.
Do you travel often?
No, only sometimes.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to travel to new cities.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax and meet friends.
Do you feel happy in your free time?
Yes, I feel happy and relaxed.